PML and Vice President مریم Nawaz's son Junaid Safdar and Aisha Saif Khan's wedding was the talk of the town, and the extravagant outfits, decadent decor, and Sharif's family's singing skills took center stage in most discussions about the festivities. Junaid tied the knot with Aisha Saif Khan's in August. The elaborate nikah was held at London's most expensive hotel, the Lensburg, and stayed in the news for weeks. This time around, the official video of the couple's mehndi ceremony has started doing rounds on the internet, and needless to say, the stunning video gave an insight into the winsome festivity alongside and all the highlights covered. The aforementioned video was uploaded on Instagram by one of the videographers, Fatima Tariq, who covered Junaid and Aisha's wedding events. The grandson of Nawaz Sharif's wedding festivities concluded with an elegant walima ceremony that took place on December 17, 2021 at Jati Umrah. Let's watch together the special video. I am Wasim Raza from Italy and you are watching Globbal